everyone, I hope you're all having an awesome week and looking forward to the weekend. Today I have a craft haul to share with you. So a company called Lifescraft contacted me and asked if I'd like to choose some of their products and share them and do some projects with them. And I was so excited. I said, yeah, of course. So I've picked out some dies. They do have a load of different things. They have papers, stamps, accessories, tools, and many more. I will link their website down below. I do believe that they have a YouTube channel as well, which I will also link down below. And they've kindly given me a 20% discount code to share with you. So I will also leave that in the description. So definitely go and check them out. But I'm going to share with you in this video what I chose. So I have had a little play with some of the things, but I will be back to share more projects with you. So the first thing I chose was this. I'm going to take out there. Like I said, I've cut out a few different things. But yeah, I will do a lot more projects with them. So the first thing came, so I'll just move that to one side. So this was the first set I got. I thought it was so cool for like spring cards and summer and that. So it comes with a little butterfly. You've got this little cute hedgehog. I think you can layer. I think this might be the outer piece. Again, I haven't cut these out, so I'm not quite sure how they go together. But I think you've got another little like a one side of a butterfly there. You got some of these long leaves. Yeah, I just thought this was really cute, and I'm wondering if I can actually layer this hedgehog and actually make this part into a shaker. I think that'd be really awesome. If I can do that, I'll be back to share that with you. And it comes with some flowers as well. And I have been cutting out the little butterflies. I thought these were so cute. And you can just stick them in the middle part. Yeah, stick those onto some projects. I just thought they were really cute like that. You can kind of make them stand up. So that's the first set. I'm really excited to play with. And then the second set was this one. Again, I thought this was so cute and adorable. So this comes with like a big duck there. That's his wings, and then I think that's going to be his beak. You've got a couple of hearts there, and then you can do like it on a pond. And then you've got a smaller duck there, and again the beak. I think that's got to be their mouth. Another heart. I just thought this was so cute. You could do like a Mother's Day card with the big duck and then the little duck. Yeah, I just thought that'd be quite, and again it's all spring and summer kind of feel to it on projects and things. So I'm excited to try those. That die. I'm just gonna get my tape measure, guys, and I'm gonna measure for you the sizes. That way you get a kind of idea feel of how big they are. So the big duck, if I measure from the top to the bottom, is about 6.5, and then the widest part, like to the tail, I'd say again 6.5, and then the smaller one, I'd say 4.5 by 5, and that's in centimeters. And then the hedgehog, so you can get a feel, I'll do the outer piece because I'm sure that's the backing piece. So that's 4.5, and then if we go from the spikes to the feet, it's about 3.5. So that's the measurements for those two. Then chose this die set, and this makes a like a gnome. I thought it would be great for Easter, you could do an Easter themed gnome, and obviously Christmas and things. So you get this piece, which is like the hat, I presume, then his beard. I think these are his feet. Then you've got these hands, they're gonna be like trousers. And then I'm not 100% sure at the moment. I presume that's his nose, and then I'm not sure, these could be like pockets and things. I'm not sure what these pieces are, but obviously when I've cut it out and put it together, I will come back and share with you, and then you'll get an idea of the size as well that it makes. So that's the next one. And then I've got this one. So this I thought was so pretty with the different like flower dies that you get in there. So hold on guys, just get the last dies, because like I said, I have cut out a few. So in this set you get this gorgeous basket. Again, I thought would be great for Easter. You could put little Easter eggs in, or you could even do this like for Christmas. So you could put little presents in there and things. You could have the gnome holding that basket. I think it could be, yeah, used for many occasions. So you get these 4 little flowers in here, and then you also get all these flowers, which I presume you can layer up together. You get this flower here, and then you get these 2 different types of leaves, and I just measure that basket. So from the top there to the bottom of the basket is 9 centimeters, and then the widest part is about just over 7 centimeters. So that's that set. Yeah, really excited to play with that. I have actually cut out a few of these flowers here, so you can kind of see how they cut out in different colours and things. So, and you can like layer them up and stuff. I think they're really, and put like a little gem in the middle and that, so really pretty. And then the last set I got was this one. Obviously I have used this one, and I have got a project to show you how I put this one together. So in this set you get this piece. I'll put that down, sorry about the glare guys from the packaging, but you get this piece and it makes like a little box, and then you get all these other elements in there. So you get, this is the bunny's head. You get the outer piece of the bunny's ears. Just going to tip this out. So you get 2 of those, the outer piece of the bunny's ears. You get the 2 inner pieces of the ears, so you can layer up the ears. Then you get some eyes. You get a nose. You get this cute little carrot. Oh, sorry guys, I'll just move these up so they're in frame. They're the eyes and then nose, and you get this cute little carrot. Yeah, and then I think this is the mouth part. So yeah, they're the bits you get. And again, I thought with the gnome, you could use, if I move this, so you kind of mix and match, but you could try and put these bunny ears on top of the gnome once I've put it together. I think that would be really cute on top of the gnome. So yeah, so they're the bits you get. And then the little boxes that I've made, oh, they've turned out so cute. I'm so happy with them. So this is the first one I put together. I did kind of like a pastel kind of colour, and I made this one into like a little girl bunny. Again, those flowers I used from this set. It came from the basket set. I used the flowers from that set. Put a little flat back pearl, layered her ears up, did her eyes as well, layered those, and I used a little white pen to do the centre, nose, and that's the mouth part. And then the little, obviously you can put little treats in there. This Easter die I had, and then I made this flower, another little pearl in the centre, and it's quite big. You can get quite a few little, you know, treats in there, little eggs and things. And then this one, it's so cute, a little like a boy kind of bunny, done it in some like brown paper, did his little nose, layered up his ears, and then I used the carrot on that one, if you can see. And then I backed it with the brown paper that I used for his face. I backed it so it kind of comes through because it has little slits in it. I don't know if that's picking up, guys. It might not be picking up on camera. But the detail on the carrot and that is really cute. And that's what the back looks like. I mean, so you could, you know, you could do, you don't have to use this box for Easter. You could use this box for like a birthday, and you could put happy birthday on the back. Mother's Day, you could put one of these, you know, one of these smaller ducks would fit on the back. So you can kind of like use the different dies together. And I just thought they're so cute. So yeah, guys, I'd like to thank you all for watching. I'd like to thank Lifescraft for sending these to me, and I will be back to share some more projects with you, sharing these dies. And don't forget to check out that 20% in the description box. Have an awesome weekend, guys, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.